Hi there, team. Now, most consultants don't realize that Norwex will literally market for you in the background. So I'm going to show you something that you might not be using yet. In this video, I'm going to walk you through one of my all-time favorite set it once and let it work for you tools inside of Norwex. It is the Catalog Mailing Program. And I want you to stay with me here because this is not just for high sellers, advanced consultants, or people who've been here for many years and have thousands of customers. This works beautifully for business builders, casual sharers, and even consultants who mainly use their discount and want an easier way to stay connected. Now, my goal in this video is simple. By the time you finish watching, you will have this set up and working for your business. Successful consultants don't try to do everything manually. They build small systems that help them stay consistent even when life gets busy. And this is one of those systems that helps my business all the time. Let's talk about what the Catalog Mailing Program actually does. So Norwex mails a full color catalog directly to customers you choose. Each catalog is personalized with your name, your website, a QR code linking to you, and the contact information you have based on your office suite preferences. Customers also receive a reminder email on behalf of you and a coupon tied to that catalog. Now, before we begin, I want you to think of 3 people, not your whole list, just 3. Let's keep this simple and doable. Now, step 1, we're going to turn on the catalog mailing. The first requirement of using the catalog mailing program is that your office suite must be active. You're going to want to go to Profile and Settings, Office Suite, Catalog Mailing, toggle it on. Now pause here and just do that with me if you need to. You do not need to send catalogs to everyone. We're being very intentional with this. Small and consistent always beats big and overwhelming. Now, step 2, you're going to select who receives these catalogs. So for this step, I want you to go to My Contacts, click Manage Catalog Mailing, and I'll insert an image showing the Manage Catalog Mailing so you know what you're looking for. Here, you're going to see your customers and your contacts. You want to check the box next to the people that you want to include in the catalog mailing program. And you can also uncheck if you want to remove someone from the program. And this is important. Once you're done with the checkboxes, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit Save. If you don't hit Save, nothing updates in the system. I'll add another screenshot here so you know what we're looking for. It's the lower opt-in checkbox screen. Now, inside Norwex, there are 2 record types for your contacts. The first one is a customer. That is someone who placed an order with you, and that is how they got into your system. A contact is someone that you added, but they may not have ordered yet. You can actually send catalogs to both. Okay, do this with me right now. We're going to switch from learning to doing. If you can, open your back office now. Go to Manage Catalog Mailing and just add one name, just one. I'm going to pause here while you do that. You can also pause this video. This is how your momentum starts. Let's talk about adding someone new to your system. Now, if someone isn't already in your system, you're going to click Create Contact, add their information, and then return to Manage Catalog Mailing and select them. Done. Now I want to walk you through how to check who is included in your catalog mailing program. You're going to go to Contacts, Use Filters, select Catalog Mailing, and you're going to see the people who are currently opted in to previous mailings or upcoming mailings. Now let's talk a little strategy here, who to include in the catalog mailing program. And here's how experienced consultants choose: your VIP customers, recent buyers, past hosts, people who enjoy physical catalogs. But start small. 3 people is perfect. Now let's talk about the cost and the timeline. So at the time I'm recording this video, we do have a spring catalog. That catalog cost us $110 per catalog, and the opt-in deadline is February 13th by 11:59 Central Time. Catalogs mail on March 27th, and we will be billed around April 3rd. Delivery for those catalogs typically takes 7 to 14 days. And if you're watching this at a later time, you can look under Office Suite to see when the next catalog mailer is going to be sent out. Now, before you leave this video, make sure you've added at least one name. Start small, because systems like this quietly build consistency, and consistency builds confidence. You got this.